All right, and another pair of screen protectors are in. Let's see what we're working with. So here is the packaging. Packaging looking good. Got questions. There's the feedback. All right, all right, all right, all right. Let's crack into it. Let's see what it's all about. So, all right. So we should get another 3-pack. Nothing else in there. Let me throw that off the side. All right. So we got our assisted installation tray. And it looks like it's stuck together with one of our first screen protectors. We got our dust removal stickers and our wet wipes. All right, let me drop out one of those. We got our screen protector. Take out one of these. And we have our assisted tray. So let's do this. Let me put this off to the side real quick. And let me give my device a quick deep clean before we pop the tray on. So I got the microfiber cleaning cloth. Remember, y'all, turn off all airflow. Wash and dry your hands thoroughly. You don't want to get any hair follicles or dust follicles or skin particles on your screen before you put the screen protector down. You may even want to put on a pair of gloves or a long sweater so you don't get any hair or skin flakes down. But let's clean off the device's display. Just like this. Okay, make sure it's nice and clean. All right. Then we're going to pop on the assisted tray. Okay. Put my microfiber cleaning cloth down. And is it labeled? It is labeled. So let's see. This side says top right up there. So that would be the bottom right down there. So we got to put it on like this. And it clicks on. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So let's put that down. It's clicked into place. Let's get our dust removal stickers and our wet and the dry wipes out. Let's see, let's see. All right. Here we go. All right, so pull out one of these. Now you have a set of these to go with each screen protector pack. So we got our guide stickers and our dust removal sticker, and we get 3 of these because we got 3 screen protectors. So we're gonna take out one, and then we're also gonna take out. We get 3 cleaning cloths. We're gonna take out one of these as well. Take that out, and then we're gonna take out one of our wet and our dry wipes. So let me do a pack that's all together. That looked like it broke apart. I'm gonna go with, oh, it's just one. Okay, so it's just one. Okay. So if that's the case, if it's just one for each, I'm gonna just rock it with the one then. Okay, so this is everything we're gonna need right there. You rest this off to the side. I'll put that away later. All right, let's get to it. So everything is turned off. Here we go. I got everything laid out, and let's get to wiping it down first. All right. Okay. So this is our wet wipe right here. I'm just drop it on like this. Give it a thorough cleaning. Get it nice and thorough. Make sure I don't miss anything. All right. Okay. Rest that wet wipe off to the side. Take our cleaning cloth here, and then we're going to use this to damp it dry. All right, so let's hit it. Beautiful. Beautiful. And you want to do this on a level, flat surface. So you can see, and I put my microfiber cleaning cloth down just to make sure I get minimal sliding around. All right. Then now we want to take our dust removal sticker and get any remaining particles. So here we go. Let's pull off the corner here. And let's hit it. Okay, here we go. And this should get any particles that you miss and try to get the whole surface. Okay. Okay, I think I'm good. Okay. Let's get our screen protector out. Try not to breathe over it. To stay nice and clean. Press this off to the side, and let's do the screen protector now. Here we go. Alright. Here we go. And you just want to peel. Okay, and then we're going to try and use the tray to help us guide it down. So we're going to rest that right there. And line it up with the top. Make sure we get it right in the crevices. And then, hold up, why am I uneven here? Get them on the flat. Okay, get it right in there. And then we're just going to drop it down. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Get those corners lined up. Okay, I missed one. Gotta raise up this edge. Just like that. Gotta come over a little bit and we're down. That's it. Just like that. And you let all the air bubbles dissipate. Boom. Perfect. Perfect. No air bubbles. That's perfect. And then all we have to do now is come back in with our cloth again, just to make sure. And we just want to apply light pressure. Yes, that is beautiful. That's it. The magic of an assisted installation tray. That is awesome. That is super awesome. All right, give me a second. Let me go back to the traditional angle and we'll be back. All right, see y'all in a second. All right, everyone, and we are back. Switched over to the traditional angle here, and you can see I dropped the case on. And now for my first impressions of the ArmorSuit tempered glass 3 pack of screen protectors for the iPhone 15 Plus. I have to say, now this is perfect, right? It's case friendly, and they give you everything that you need to get a perfect installation out of the box. So they give you the assisted tray, they give you the wet and the dry wipes, and they even label the tray and give you step by step instructions on the box. You could scan the barcode, and they have their little thing there, and it went on perfectly. I did a quick installation guide for everyone at the beginning part of the video, and the best part, y'all, this is even cheaper than the last set of tempered glass screen protectors that I just took a look at. So that last set was $5.99, $6. Um, it was like what? $7.32 after tax. These right here were $4.99, so $5. And I actually picked these up with another case that should be in shortly. But checking them out with the first case that I have, it works perfectly. So y'all can see there's no bubbles, there's nothing underneath the display. It's a perfect installation, and it works perfectly with the case that I currently have. And you can see everything works. All right? Everything works. No issues whatsoever. Beautiful. This is what I'm talking about, y'all. So I'm not going to make this video any longer. This was my unboxing, installation guide, and first impressions of the ArmorSuit tempered glass 3 pack of screen protectors for the iPhone 15 Plus. I'm going to go ahead and rock out with this for a week, and then I'm going to come back with my full review on this set of tempered glass screen protectors and let you guys and gals know if this set of tempered glass screen protectors is worth picking up. With that being said, as always, if you guys and gals enjoyed this video and or you found it helpful, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. It really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you guys and gals would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when new videos go live on the channel. Today's video was recorded with the primary rear-facing camera on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus in 1080p at 30 FPS, and we are using Bluetooth audio hooked up. So we are using the microphones off of the Audio Technica M20 XBT truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. So please let me know what you guys and gals think of the overall audio quality as well as the overall video quality down below in the comments. We are using my professional studio lights here today as well, and we're using the Blackmagic camera application as well to sync up everything perfectly. So please let me know what you guys and gals think. As always, if this video piqued your interest and you'd like to see any more extended coverage on the iPhone 15 Plus or any of other recommended accessories that I may have for everyone, I'll link up all of my extended coverage on the iPhone 15 Plus and its recommended accessories down below in the video description. Or if this video piqued your interest and you would like to know where you can pick up everything featured in today's video, whether that be the iPhone, the featured case, or the featured tempered glass screen protector, I'll link up everything down below in the video description. So all of the affiliate links will be available down below in the video description. And as the name implies, if you decide to make your purchase using the links down below in the video description, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I consider those affiliate buy links a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. And that also makes the video description a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Hope everyone's having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. Ah, that was smooth and easy, man. No muss, no fuss. That's how an installation of a screen protector should be. Have a good one, everybody. Peace.